Welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is steam generator. It is a portable steam generator. It's not actually by the customer brought to the workshop. This generator, according to the customer, is not generating steam. Because of that, we have to check this one now. What is the problem? We will go to the next step and we will check what is the problem with the maybe heater, maybe solenoid valve, otherwise steam generator, thermostat, thermistor, everything we have to check. Now we will go to the next step and check. Now I'm going to remove. Now I'm going to remove this one, this cover, side cover, because this plate, one plate from here to the U shape. Because of that, now I'm going to remove the side cover. Now you can check here. This is boiler. This one we can check. Here two thermistors. You can see here. Here two thermistors. This one one thermistor. This is second one. Also here heater, and here having stream generator valve. This valve. This one also we have to check. This thermistor also here. This is thermostat. See here. This is thermostat. This is one micro with the micro switch. This is thermostat, steam generator thermostat, and also here you can see here the pressure meter. This one we have to check A to Z now. This heater and thermistor. Also here thermostat. This one. After that we can recognize what is the exactly problem. Why is not making heat? Why is not making steam generate? Why is not generating? Now we will check and let's see. Check again heater connection. See, heater connection is okay, no any issue. I already released one terminal because we have to check like that, otherwise it will show the serious continuity. Because of that, also here I disconnected one this two thermostat. Now I found this thermostat is already damaged, that's mean defect. It's not working. See, you can see here it's not working, but this one is okay. See, this is okay, but this one already gone. Now we have to change this thermostat. After that stream generator will work. Now we have to change and check. Now I have in same thermostat. Here this one I can change. This is it is as same. Now I will remove this one and I will check. I will refix. After that we will start and check. Now I'm fixing new thermostat. Here it's very difficult. No way actually. That side is okay. Now I have to fix this one. Now I already tight. Now I have to fix here only the connection for the heater. Now it's okay, heater connection also. Now we can check also if it will work or not. It definitely should work. Now everything perfect. Now I have to fix side cover only. Now okay, now I will give the power connection and we will check. I given already power connection. Now it should increase temperature here, is pressure. This is PI up to PSI 150 pressure, and if it is increasing up to 50, we can use this streamer. Now we can check this stream valve, it's working or not. Now you can hear the noise. That's mean it is working, no any issue. This contactor, relay contactor is working properly. The switch also okay. Now until generating stream, we have to wait. After that we will check. Now you can see here heater is start to work. Now you can see temperature is increasing. Now it came 15 psi pressure. Now both are working, heater and steam generator. Now it will work definitely. After that my job already complete. It will be complete. Now you can see here it is power already supplied. After repairing I fill up the water. Now it is already it came power already given. That's mean this one iron. This section is steamer section. Now I fill up the water until here. Also now it came psi almost 65 psi pressure, that is enough. Now it should make the stream. Now we will check. Now it is iron already heat maximum. Now we can check here. Now you can see, now you can see stream already making. Now it is perfect, no any other issue. Now you can see here it is pressure already decreasing. Now when I'm pressing this one, pressure is decreasing. My already job completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.